That's from your grandpa.
Here, have a drink.
Thank you.
Cool. There you go. Is that it? Stormy, you need a drink?
No.
Okay. Tracer, help him open that. Open it, both of you. Oh my God!
It's only going to want
Who got that?
You.
No, it's for the whole family, but who
It's
got
for
it for the
Grandpa.
family?
Grandpa.
Well, what do we say? Look at the camera. Say, thank you, Grandpa Dilts, we love
Thank
you.
you, Grandpa. Teacher, I love you. Thank you, Grandpa. Just I love you.